Day 44, summer in Norway. It's been cold since I woke up, and even though it's cold, I make it a point to go to the beach and swim. I warm up by walking and running all the way here, so that when I go in the water, my body is warm enough that I don't feel that, when you go in the water and it's so cold, I feel the impact of it, but it's not as bad as if I just go in cold. In Brazil, I do not need to run for 45 minutes before I go in the water. The water is cold, but nothing like it is here. Yesterday, I was doing some research about this place, and apparently you can bring a rental sauna here and place it here. I saw information about it that you could do that. I don't know where. They say that there is a setup for it right here. I don't know where it is though. That's interesting. I even looked at prices just for the heck of it. It's not like I'm gonna rent a sauna, right? My broke ass cannot even rent anything. But it costs 2,000 kroner for 24 hours. I wonder if it's here somewhere near the bathrooms. I don't know. I'm gonna miss being able to come here and swim in the mornings. I am going to miss not having to travel 2 hours to work and 2 hours back. I am going to miss the time for myself. The time for myself, I'm really gonna miss. The time with my family, my husband and daughter, I'm totally gonna miss. I'm a well-adjusted individual, 53 years old. I am fine. You don't have to worry about me ever.